Unleash your inner creator, AI tools for images and videos. It's easier than you think. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI, but not in a scary robot way. We're talking about fun and creative AI tools that can help you generate stunning images and videos, even if you're not a professional artist or filmmaker. What are AI image and video generators? Imagine describing your dream vacation destination in a few words, and then seeing a beautiful image of it come to life on your screen. Or, picture yourself explaining a concept for a YouTube video, and then having AI automatically create a short, engaging clip to illustrate your point. That's the magic of these AI tools. Popular AI tools. There are several options available, each with its own strengths. DALL-E 2, this powerful tool from OpenAI can create incredibly realistic and detailed images based on your text descriptions. Midjourney. Another popular option, Midjourney excels at creating artistic and dreamlike visuals. Night Cafe Creator, this user-friendly tool lets you choose from various artistic styles to generate unique images. Synthesia, this platform allows you to create realistic videos with AI-powered avatars that speak and move according to your script. Pictory, this tool helps you turn text into engaging videos using royalty-free images, music, and even AI-generated voiceovers. How to use them? Most of these tools are accessible through their websites or apps. They usually involve simple steps like 1. Providing a text prompt. Describe what you want the image or video to look like in detail. 2. Customizing your options. Play around with different settings to fine-tune the results. 3. Downloading your creation. Once you're happy, save the image or video to your device. Who can benefit from these tools? These AI tools are perfect for content creators, YouTubers, bloggers, and social media managers can use them to create eye-catching visuals for their content. Educators, teachers, and trainers can use them to create engaging presentations and explainer videos. Businesses can use them to create unique marketing materials and product mock-ups. Anyone with a creative spark, even if you just want to have some fun and explore your creative side, these tools are a great way to do it. Important points to remember. While AI is amazing, it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. Always give credit if you use AI-generated content commercially. Remember, these tools are meant to assist your creativity, not replace it. Use them as a springboard to explore your own ideas. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and experiment with these amazing AI tools. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what kind of cool things you create. And as always, thanks for watching.